patch was poor. Very poor. We had a new guy join us. I'll be honest, he didn't fit in at first. After a couple of days, we thought maybe there is something there. The new guy might have been wearing some fancy clobber, but fair play to him. By day 19, the pots were filling up. I think he started rubbing off on them. Here I was, in command of the best-dressed fishermen in the seas. And bloody good fishermen they were too. Turned out to be a nice season. Now, don't go thinking we're one of those nandy-pandy fancy boats.